According to experts, the culprit of this error is outdated camera drivers or third-party antivirus. Therefore, we would recommend disabling your antivirus temporarily and checking if the issue persists. If that did not help, here are 3 methods for fixing it. Left-click Windows key and click on Settings. In the Settings window, select Apps and then Apps and Features. In the Apps and Features window, find Camera app and click on it. In here, click on Advanced Options, scroll down to Reset button and click it. In the Confirmation window, click Reset button. Finally, reboot the system and check if the issue is resolved. Now let's check if your webcam is compatible with your operating system. Right-click on Windows key and select Device Manager. Find Imaging Devices and locate your webcam. If it's not there, check Sound, Video and Game Controllers tab. Right-click on the name of your webcam and select Properties. Click on Driver tab and select Driver Details. There, you will see a list of files. If there is a stream.cs file in the list, you will have to replace the camera with a new one. If it's not there, it means that your camera has been developed after Windows 7 release and it's suitable for the current Windows 10 OS. Now let's try updating webcam driver or roll it back to previous version. Right-click on Windows key and select Device Manager. Find your camera under Imaging Devices and double-click it. Select Driver tab, click Update Driver button and in a new window select Update Driver automatically. After the update, close Device Manager and reboot your PC. If this error occurred after the installation of the latest webcam driver, remove the update. To do that, right-click on Windows key and select Device Manager. Find your camera under Imaging Devices and double-click it. Select Driver tab, and click to roll back the driver to previous version. After Windows is done, close Device Manager and restart your PC. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.